Hi, ako nga pala si TJ. Kasama ko ngayon si Richard. Isa rin sa naging user din ng product natin.
Yeah.
So Richard, baka pwede ka magpakilala. Ano yung background mo?
Okay.
Paano mo na-discover din si IM?
Through my tita, came from New Zealand. They just came across here just to see me and share the product. Magtaka mo, New Zealand, umuwi dito. Just to share. So try mo muna yan. Then make a decision. Sige, I'll just try. Sabi ko, when we met in BGC. By the way, I'm Richard Karangian. You may call me Rich. And I am a professor by profession. Wow. I'm a business consultant from different areas. And I'm now connected in one of the largest financial industry today. Now, when I see IM as a product barley, I've been hearing kasi iba parang may tamis. And I don't think that's effective because of the gluten that has been in there. When I tried the organic taste, ito yung barley. Ito talaga yung lasang damo na inahanap, parang matcha nga na walang asukal. Okay, try on the... I got it when September 29. Try drinking
Ngayon
it.
lang, lately lang.
Yes, and then nag-inom ako kinabukasan. Imagine, grabe yung nag-lose siya. Siguro that's approximately kilo nilabas ko bigla in one day. Yung pagdumi ko. Sabi ko, opo.
Talaga naramdaman na parang ang daming nilabas.
Sabi ko, tita, ganun bang effect nito? Kasi normally hindi ganun eh. But there's a ganun. Hindi, try mo lang yan. Focus sa'yo mag 3 times drinking ka 30 minutes before meal. I followed her. Ayan. Nag-inom ako. So sabi ko, teka lang, kunin natin yung inches ko. So talaga ang inches ko from my waistline is already 61.
61.
Kaya itong mga pantalon ko, from ito na dito lagi yan, nabubutas ko na hanggang 7. Dati, hanggang dito ako nagsisintron dahil nga hindi kayang i-chan na eh. Okay. So right now, I'm happy on the result. This is my 22nd day drinking barley 3 times a day. Now, this is the result. Wala nang ibang product, only barley. But I still do the normal eating. Wala pa yung diet, wala pa yung exercise. But I see the good effect of it. So sabi ko, it's turned me out because 1 months from now, siguro, pag nag-trim down, people would know me. Talagang makikita nila yung cut-off nitong sarili ko. Kasi people that see me before talagang mataba. When we met together, we have our research conference yesterday in Pangasinan. Kita ko ng mga co-doctors ko in education. What happened to you? Ano kinasikreto mo? And they saw me before I eat the meal. Nagtitimpla muna ako ng barley. What is that? It's barley. So come and taste it, share. So they were too interested about it. So this time parang pa-teaser mo na sila. Galing. So if God's permit, malaki ang market natin with my colleagues.
So meaning Richard, from 61, ano nangyari?
It's 52.5 now, 3 days ago pa yan.
Wow.
I can't imagine.
Laki ng
52.5.
Laki ng binaba.
Oo, my goal, mabalik sa 34 or 36. Diba?
Nice.
Yun talagang normal. Yung hindi ka na nahiyang. Kasi lahat ng damit ko po, patahi eh. Nasadya. Kasi every time we go on the mall, alam mo yun, ano ba ito? Hanggang dito, lalo yung jeans. That's why I can't wear jeans. Laging ganito.
So, doctor po ba kayo, Richard?
I'm a doctor in business administration.
Nice.
So, that's the reason why I'm in the field of academic and also in the business industry.
So happy kami makita ang results mo pa in coming months, lalo na pag years ka na nagbabarley, no?
At the same time, nag-take ka na, sumaya na yung kalusugan mo, yayaman pa, bulsa mo. Kumbaga, pumayat ang
may negosyo
tiyan.
Pa, no?
Pumayat tiyan, pero tataba bulsa.
Nice.
And I'm excited doing that here, the business here in IM.
So once again, this is TJ Villanueva and
Rich Karangian.
I am worldwide.
Yes, I am worldwide.
Nagdadalawang isip na binili ko. Kasi sabi ko parang ito yung sinasabi ng ate ko. Kasi ang ate ko sa Mindanao, she is a broker of Philippine Chambers and Commerce and Industry Bureau of Customs, SASA. And then may diabetes siya, pumayat siya na pumayat na pumayat. Since na nag-take siya ng barley, tumaba, nag-triple ang katawan niya. Tapos ang diabetic niya is nag-lower. Nag-go down ang blood sugar niya. At saka sa akin din, pagbili ko ng 100 pesos, isang sachet lang, ininom ko yung isa, ang isa nilagay ko sa sugat ko, ito na. Ayan po, basang-basa po yan. Makikita mo po yung mga laman sa loob. Ngayon, ano na ang nangyari? Yes, it's amazing. And then, last 2006, I am a kidney donor. Oo. Ngayon, muntik akong operahan ulit. Kasi, na yung sugat ko sa loob parang naglana na kasi nagbubuhat ako ng mabigat. Ngayon, actually, honestly lang, nakatake na ako nito sa Midsayap Cotabato ng 2 sachet. After that, nagbawas ako na ilabas ko lahat ang nana at itim na dugo. Kaya ngayon gumaling ako. Because of this. I'm not lying.
Magkano po yung barley? The barley po is 1,000 pesos. 1,000 pesos only for this barley. This barley po, again, has so many testimonials. Alam mo yun, puro mga testimonials ng mga users na talagang grabe yung naging impact sa buhay nila. Number 1 na po dyan si Miss Maritoni Fernandez. Si Miss Maritoni Fernandez na-cure yung cancer niya. She had cancer and she kept taking the barley. She kept taking the barley at gumaling po siya. She is now cancer-free and happy. You know, that is so important talaga. Yung mga may high blood pressure, yung mga may diabetes, di ba? It's so good kasi minsan, ang hirap po naman talaga yung dami-dami natin ginagawa. Minsan, napapa-fast food talaga tayo with our fast-paced life. Pero importante na i-jumpstart natin yung araw natin, na mag-take na natin yung amount ng gulay na kailangan ng katawan natin, and this is the best way how. Pag na-intake na po natin, okay ka na, di ba? Okay ka na, na-save ka na ng gulay factor mo for that day. So, this is very, very nice. Take 1 sachet 30 minutes before your breakfast. For those who are asking about I Am Barley, I am amazing. I am worldwide amazing barley. This is organic. This is from Australia po yung barley na. The barley is only 1,000 pesos and it's very, very good for your health. This has so many health benefits. It will give you better immune system. You will meet yung dietary requirement ng gulay in your day. At least nakapag-gulay ka na kaagad. 1,000 pesos lang po siya. Do try it. Ang dami-dami kong testimonials na maririnig na talagang grabe ang naitulong sa buhay nila, sa kalusugan nila ng barley. If there's something that we should invest in, it should be our health. Totoo po yun, yung your health is wealth. Totoo po yun. So,
Ninja? Are you kidding me? That's the word you're trying to say? Ninja? This is Ken.
Shout out guys, magbubudol daw kami ng galunggong. Ayan. Hi guys, this video is all Hi, shalom sa inyo and welcome again sa aking YouTube. Hello mga ka-friend. We're here.
Hello guys, good morning.
Promise you that it feels like it's just us two.